Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's scroll down again and find this ringtone and alert sounds and tap on ringtone at the top. So here we've got the pre-installed options from which we can choose, so the classic mode and the nature. And here we've got also on this device, which means that after choosing it we will be able to find and set the ringtone, for example, download it from the internet or record it by yourself. So you can check it. So let me choose maybe something from the classic option, and all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to check, and this is how you can listen all of them and decide which one you like or not. So let's pretend I want this dance to be set, so make sure that it is marked and go back, and as you can see it is notified right here and also right here in this general section, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.